look at all the human dudes in the human tank. Hello, human dudes. They live, sweet. Well, we got some cool little dudes in the sub-level. Let's say hi to the little dude with the crown on her noggin, sparkly shell, chillin'. What's your name, little dude?
Laura.
Nice to meet ya. You having a good day today? Sweet.
Yes.
I saw you nod, that's cool. How old are you, dude?
5.
Nice. I was 5 when I was your age. Hey, do you know how to talk like a turtle?
No.
I'll teach you. You can show your friends. They'll be like, whoa. Alright, try this, dude. Say, totally sweet.
What do I say?
Nailed it. Dudes, give it up. She's talking turtle. Alright, job, dude. One more question for you, little one. Who brought you here this fine day?
My mom.
Awesome. Chilling with the mamacita. Hey, if her mom's here, pop a fin, mama, dude. Oh, cool. Front row. Easy commute. What's your name, mom, dude?
Ashley.
Sweet. Nice to meet you, Ashley. How many kids you got?
2.
Nice. I got 65. Dude, do yours ask you lots of questions?
Always.
Dude, it's the same with turtles. We just shared a bonding moment, dude. Where's your cool family from?
Pennsylvania.
Sounds insane, yeah. I've never heard of Pennsylvania. You do much surfing there, Ashley?
No.
Okay. Oh, wait, does it get cold there, dude?
Always.
Bummer.
Yeah.
Like if a sea turtle goes somewhere cold, we leave and go somewhere warm. Basically what you did.
Yeah.
Classic turtle move, Ashley, mom, dude. Hey, give it up for this cool family on their vacation. Dude, I swam here because of my son, Squirt. He's 7 years old. Dude was like, Dad, what's up with the human dudes? And I was like, I do not know. So I swam here, dudes, to learn some human stuff. If you can help me out, say chaw. Awesome, dudes. You so totally rock. Whoa, some of you speak turtle. Nice. For those who did not know, if a turtle says you so totally rock, the proper response is, dude. Let's try, dudes. You so totally rock. Dude. Excellent. Now that we're on the same page lingo-wise, Squirt wanted to know what humans do at the beach. So if you like to go to the beach, dudes, raise your fin.
I like to go to the
Or just say it. That kid did it. And then was like, I love the beach. Hey, let's talk to this little dude who's like chilling right over here. She's got a black shell with some swim goggles. What's your name, dude?
Ava.
Awesome. Hey, what do you like doing at the beach?
Exploring caves.
baby.
Doing what now?
I like exploring caves at the beach.
Oh, dude, that sounds awesome. So you're just like getting in caves, being like, whoa, look at this. Oh, that's cool. You ever find anything inside of those caves?
No.
Oh, dude, I didn't know if you found like cool seashells or anything. Dude, have you ever found a cool seashell at the beach?
Yeah.
I found one, dude. Hold up, maybe you've seen one like this. It's from the human world, but I found it at the beach. Some dude was yelling about dolphins and threw this down. What kind of shell is this, dude?
It's a helmet.
A helmet. What do you do with the helmet?
Put it on your head when you play American football.
Oh, dude. They only play this game in one place. Okay. Well, it's kind of like a turtle shell, but for your noggin. That's kind of awesome.
Yeah, it's a shell. Not for your head.
Whoa.
What Where did you get these ideas?
That dude was crabby. Hey, thanks for the human dude knowledge, little one. You so totally rock. Dude. Oh, nice, dudes. Hey, I've been asking you dudes all the questions. If you got a question for the Crush Man, totally raise your fin, dude. Awesome. Let's cruise over on this side. We got a little dude with a white shell in the front row. She's got blonde fur on her noggin. What's your name, little dude?
Emma.
Awesome, Emma. What's your question? Did you forget what it was? That's okay, dude. It's called having a Dory moment. I've got a question for you, little dude. What's your favorite thing to do?
To go to the beach.
Awesome, dude. Are you a pretty good swimmer?
Yes.
Totally cool. Watch this. I'll show you how fast I can swim. Everybody say rip it.
Rip it.
Roll it.
Roll it.
Punch it.
Punch it.
Watch this, dude. Turtle top speed. This is how it's done. Dude, wipe out. I forgot about the glass, dudes. Should have worn my helmet.
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Oh, thanks, Hank, dude. How long has he been there? Hey, dudes, who else has a question for the Crush Man? There's a little dude with the kind of floppy lid on the noggin with the black and red shell. What's your name, dude?
Tristan.
Awesome. Totally cool to meet you, dude. What's your question?
What is your favorite? What is your favorite family member?
That's a loaded question. I got 65 kids, bro. That's a lot of broken hearts. I do know the right answer. It's my wife, Shelly. She's my turtle dove, dude. I would say, what's your favorite? But they're probably here. I'm not looking to make it awkward. My dude's trying to stir up some dirt. Who else has a question for me, dudes? Alright, let's cruise like on the back. There's a dude right behind Tristan with the red shell tip. What's your name, any man?
Nathan.
Rock on, Nathan. What's your question, dude?
Are you the turtle from Moana?
No, I'm from Hawaii. Where are you from, Nathan, dude?
Nebraska.
Nebraska. I don't think I know where that place is. What do you like to do for fun in Nebraska?
Play in the snow.
Oh, whoa, snow. Snow means it's a turtle no-go. But I'm glad you migrated here, dude. That's totally sweet. Dude, I'm learning all kinds of human knowledge. I'm gonna tell Squirt all about it.
Hey, Destiny, you can't catch me. Hey, come back here.
Oh, dude, those are my friends. Everybody say come back, dudes.
Woohoo! Oh. Ooh, hello there. Hi, humans.
These dudes are awesome. You should teach them how to speak some whale dory, dude. They're totally good at talking turtle.
Destiny could teach them. She taught me.
Nice.
Only she were here.
Dude.
I am here. Wow! Well, that's freaky. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Hello, whale.
Go for it, dudes.
Hello, whale.
Dude, whaled it.
That was really amazing, everybody. I even heard some orca accents. That's super advanced.
Totally, dude.
Whoa, you call a real whale. You call a real whale.
Oh, dude.
Dory, swim, swim. Ah!
Oh, that's messed up.
Dory, are you all right?
He's behind you.
Tell the whale to go away.
Human dudes say go away, whale.
Oh.
so totally rock. Excellent.
EAC, EAC, EAC,
Hey, Squirty.
EAC. Dad, come on. Time to ride the EAC, dude.
Right on, Mini Man. Dude, the humans are totally awesome. I made a bunch of new friends today, Squirt Dude.
Sweet.
Cha.
You so totally rock.
Dude.
Rock on, human dudes.
Rock on, Squirt. That was awesome. Thanks for the knowledge, dudes. And remember, be good to the oceans. They'll totally be good to you. And all you awesome little dudes, keep using the word dude as much as you can for the rest of the day. Your parents are gonna love it. You're welcome, Ashley, dude. I'm out. You so totally rock.
Let's give it up for Pride! I feel like
Introducing the ultimate way to elevate your Disney experience. Imagine dining like never before, right in the heart of the magic. Our custom-made tablecloths for Disney trash cans are designed to bring you a dining experience that's simply extra. Elevate your special moments even further with matching napkins, eco-friendly flatware, and the ambience of a charming candlestick. Choose from a wide range of enchanting Disney-themed patterns that resonate with your favorite stories. Whether you're having a romantic dinner, a family gathering, or simply want to make festival snacking special, our tablecloths are here to transform your moments into picture-perfect magical memories. Visit our website and bring the extra to your table because every moment can be a magical moment.